Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
What should I say?
Say, of course, here you are.
Of course, here you are.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
Where am I flying today?
Use this pattern. I'm flying to...
I'm flying to London.
Excellent. You can also say, I'm traveling to London.
I'm traveling to London.
How many bags are you checking in?
I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Perfect. A suitcase is checked in. A carry-on bag stays with you on the plane.
I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
How do I answer that?
Say, yes, I did. I packed everything myself.
Yes, I did. I packed everything myself.
Good. Do you have any fragile items in your luggage?
No, I don't. Everything is packed safely.
Excellent. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is gate 18.
Thank you. Where is gate 18?
It is on the left after security.
Thank you for your help.
Your suitcase is too heavy. The maximum weight is 23 kilograms.
My suitcase is too heavy? What can I do?
Ask, can I take something out?
Can I take something out?
Yes. Move some clothes to your carry-on bag.
I'll move some clothes to my carry-on bag.
Good. Your suitcase is now 22 kilograms, so it is fine.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Keep this baggage receipt until you collect your suitcase.
What if my suitcase does not arrive?
At the baggage service desk, say, my bag is missing.
My bag is missing. It did not arrive on the luggage belt.
Describe it with its color and size.
It is a large black suitcase with a red tag on the handle.
Excellent. Now ask, when will my bag arrive?
When will my bag arrive?
You can also ask, can you deliver it to my hotel?
Can you deliver it to my hotel?
Perfect. Those sentences are useful if your luggage is delayed. Please place your laptop and liquids in a separate tray.
What does separate tray mean?
A tray is the flat container used during security checks. Repeat the sentence.
I'll place my laptop and liquids in a separate tray.
Good. Now remove your jacket and place it in the tray.
Do I need to remove my shoes?
Excellent question. Yes, please remove your shoes.
Okay, I'll put my shoes in the tray.
After security, collect all your belongings and check your pockets.
I'll collect my belongings and check my pockets.
What is in this bottle?
It is just water.
You may need to throw it away before security. Keep your answer short and clear.
It is just water.
Very good. Clear English is best in this situation. You passed security. Now you need to find your gate.
Excuse me, where is gate 18?
Gate 18 is on the left. Take the escalator upstairs.
How long does it take to get there?
About 10 minutes. Please go soon because boarding will begin shortly.
What does boarding will begin mean?
It means passengers will soon enter the airplane. Repeat it.
Boarding will begin shortly.
Attention passengers, flight BA248 is now ready for boarding.
Should I show my boarding pass now?
Yes, please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
Here they are.
Thank you. Which group is boarding now?
Which group is boarding now?
Group 3 is boarding now. Please wait until your group is called.
I understand. I'll wait for my group.
Excellent. That sounds polite and natural. Attention passengers, flight BA248 is delayed by 30 minutes.
Excuse me, why is the flight delayed?
The flight is delayed because of bad weather.
What time will boarding begin?
Boarding will begin at 7:30 p.m.
Concerned, will I miss my connecting flight?
A connecting flight is the flight you take after your first flight. Ask, what should I do if I miss it?
What should I do if I miss it?
You can also ask, could you help me change my flight, please?
Could you help me change my flight, please?
Very good. That is a polite sentence for a difficult situation. Let's review the most useful airport sentences. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
How many bags are you checking in?
I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Where is my gate?
Excuse me, where is gate 18?
My bag is missing.
It did not arrive on the luggage belt.
My flight is delayed. What should I do?
Could you help me change my flight, please?
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
How many bags are you checking in?
I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Do you have any fragile items?
No, I don't. Everything is packed safely.
Excellent. Practice these sentences before your next trip, and you will feel more confident at the airport.
I'm ready to speak English at the airport.
Which situation is hardest for you? Check-in, security, or finding your gate? Write your answer in the comments and subscribe to A Tale a Day for more real English conversations. Keep practicing and have a safe flight.